Leaked scene from Spider-Man No Way Home. Andrew, I think my web shooters are the best. Tom, I have the web shooters of Stark Technology. Toby, you guys are having web shooters? Hello everyone, I am KV. I hope you are doing well and we have many leaks and almost a confirmation regarding who will be the main villain in Spider-Man No Way Home. I will tell you the full plot leak and tell you if that is correct or not. And in the end, I will also tell you who might be the main villain in Spider-Man No Way Home. So watch the full video and also please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. So this plot leak was posted on Reddit by a reliable source. I will read the full plot leak for you, but let me give you a small spoiler warning in case the plot leak comes true. So the leak states the following. The movie begins with a courtroom cold open. Charlie Cox as Matt Murdock is attempting to clear Peter's name. He takes the case for obvious reasons. Witnesses testify that Peter has often been present at major Spider-Man sightings DC London. Court is adjourned and Matt Murdock does not believe they have much of chance and fears for Peter as well as his reputation. Peter has an idea and the film cuts to the doors of Sanctum. Doctor Strange opens the door and the Marvel intro plays. Peter pleads with Strange to alter reality to make the world forget that he has been outed as Spider-Man. Strange claims that the multiverse is incredibly sensitive at the moment. We later learn this is because of Mysterio, but he accepts the request anyways. After that, there is a trippy scene similar to the one since Doctor Strange and Far From Home, and the whole thing goes wrong. And a bunch of Spider-Man old villains and along with Toby and Andrew appear around New York. Doctor Strange can see it in a vision and yells a quick explanation to Peter that something's gone wrong before Strange gets trapped back in a faulty multiverse rift he created. Mysterio has been learning actual magic from a currently unknown dark sorcerer revealed in the post-credit scene. He uses his newfound power to brainwash the multiverse villains William Dafoe, Molina and Fox with their mission to steal the giant arc reactor from underground that's now known as Oscorp Tower. Since Homecoming, Oscorp is now the energy division of Stark Industries, led by Norman Osborn. Mysterio also recruits the Vulture and Scorpion, forming the Sinister Six. Mysterio's current failed attempt at multiverse manipulation is what causing it to be unstable. So he needs the arc reactor in order to fuse magic and tech, granting him godlike multiversal abilities. He knows it's possible due to his time at Stark Industries. The original arc reactor was built with the help of the Tesseract. May, MJ and Ned are also transported along with Strange through the Spider multiverse since they are the only ones knowing the Spider-Man's real identity, and they eventually reach a post-destroyed New York ruled by Mysterio with the streets covered by his drones. It's presumed by Strange to be a possible future version of the main timeline. The universe Mysterio aims to merge with the main universe. Just like Mysterio, Strange also needs that arc reactor in that universe to stabilize the multiverse so they can get back to the home to stop Sinister Six. While all this is going on, Peter and the other two Spider-Men are also taking on Sinister Six. There are some serious and slightly emotional scenes where they discuss that what it means to be Spider-Man. Eventually they battle over the arc reactor and the Spider-Men are just about down and out before the Strange shows up and finishes off the Sinister Six. Although the Spider-Men are of course integral to finishing blow, the villains are either locked up or sent back to their home universes. Peter comes to terms with the world knowing his identity and he along with his friends become instant celebrities. Strange vows to keep a watchful eye over any threats to Spider-Man and his family and friends. Toby and Andrew eventually get back to their own realities as well. Mid-credit scene is that Peter, MJ, Ned and Betty on a double date getting interrupted by some fans. Post-credit scene involves Mephisto and Scarlet Witch setting up the multiverse of madness. Guys, honestly, according to me, the plot seems like a fan fiction fantasy, and there is a very low chances of this becoming true. But I think some parts of the plot leak could be true, including Mysterio being still alive. And as I told you all that I will tell you who will be the main villain in Spider-Man No Way Home, so let me tell you that. Now we know that Dr. Octopus, Electro and Mysterio are most likely to be in Spider-Man No Way Home, but they should only have small roles and there have to be someone big behind all of this, and as per many sources, William Duffy's Norman Osborn aka Green Goblin could be the main villain behind all of these insane problems in Spider-Man No Way Home. As the Stark Tower is now sold to some mystery company and that could be Norman Osborn's Oscorp. Let me know your opinions about what is your predictions regarding who will be the main villain in Spider-Man No Way Home and if William Dafoe's Green Goblin would be the main villain in Spider-Man No Way Home in the comment box, and also please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Check out my other videos and keep supporting us. Thank you so much. I'm KV signing off for today.